Stephanie from Cauliflower Foods, and we're back with what's cooking in the Cauliflower kitchen. And who do I have to my left here?
Hey guys, it's Rachel. Glad to be back. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, please make sure to do so right now if you want to get these amazing, creative, simple recipes using our cauliflower pizza crust, like the one you're going to see today, which is like done in 5 minutes. I love it.
Totally. Fast, easy, and to your belly and just bringing you happiness. That's what we love. So today, Rachel, fast and easy is exactly what we got going on here. Using one of our three, or you can even use our vegan crust, but we opted to use either the sweet red bell pepper, spicy jalapeno, or the original Italian. I think I got the original Italian here, and it is gonna be the bomb.
So these are our pre-made crusts. If you're watching this, you probably heard of it, but if not, 4 ingredients: cauliflower, egg, cheese, and spices. Just throw it in the oven. You get it nice and crispy, just like it is here, and then top it with whatever really you want. And today we're making.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
It's so good. I've been staring at this for like 10 minutes. I can't wait to eat it right now because it smells so good.
Okay, who doesn't love artichoke dip, right? And you can make it yourself. I've made it healthy, but oh, come on. Let's just do it. I found a already pre-made jalapeno artichoke dip, and I love artichokes. Who doesn't love artichokes?
Well, yeah, I mean, artichokes are a great source of vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and dietary fiber, which who doesn't need a little fiber in their life, right?
And some amazing chicken breast that I had grilled from the other night. I had pulled that out of the fridge, and some fresh herbs. So essentially, that's it.
You just spread it on there. So on these little pizzas right here, this is just artichoke dip, chicken, and some herbs.
Well, here, let me also top it off, because no pizza is done until you throw on some fresh parm, right?
Fresh parm.
Woohoo! And it's just,
I didn't think I could love
it more.
It's
like confetti, you know? It's like a ticker tape parade. Woo!
Can I eat this really?
Yes, you can.
I have to sample everything, so. Oh my God.
So essentially, for everyone at home, easy peasy.
Try this.
All right?
So good. So good. Less than 5 minutes.
Yep.
Do it for an appetizer. Do it for a meal.
Oh gosh, yeah.
I mean, what more could you ask for?
I mean, you could serve it up with the salad on the side, and there, voila, dinner done. You know, you got home from work, you know, running late, pre-bake that crust while you're changing into your comfy clothes. You know, pull out the dip, throw it onto your crust. Pull out that chicken breast from the night before, bam. So I'm spreading it on there just like that.
This is fantastic. I don't know, I mean, I know I have the issue where chips and dip are like a regular in my household because I have kids, I have teenagers, and it's not always what my body wants. So having, this is such a healthy alternative, and it tastes, I'm gonna tell you, it tastes actually better than typical chips and dip. It tastes amazing because it's fresh ingredients.
Well, you know what you're putting in your body, right? Again, you don't want to go through the drive-thru. You don't need that. You can just make it at home just as fast, but better for you, and you know where it's going.
Some more.
Okay, so you're gonna pop that bad boy in the oven and warm it through. It's gonna get all bubbly and delicious, and it's gonna come out looking just like
voila. All right, guys, please, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to this channel. We have so many great recipes that are in the near future. We release one every single week with Stephanie and I, but we also bring on some really cool celebrity guests. So come back and see us next week.
All right, we'll see you then.
Bye.
Bye.